I've never used Firefox. I ever wondered how can I customize it so to look much more nicer. Well, you can do that by adding themes to Firefox. Themes are like a means of customizing Firefox the same way that you also have themes for Windows. So for this one, what we just need to do first is that we open Firefox. You can simply open Firefox by typing in the search bar Firefox. That is Firefox. A pressing on this right here. For me, I just opened my own. Opened Firefox. So just go here. Then you type in addons.mozilla.org. Then you press the enter key. Now connections is back. Press enter. Now the site is open. You press on Teams. As you can see, the Teams change the browser's appearance. To do that, you can either select from any category, as you can see here, such as abstract, courses, fashion, film and TV, and Firefox. Or you can go through these recommended themes right here. Let's see. Let's choose Apningo Doc. So after selecting your theme, you can press install theme. Then a pop-up will come. This pop-up over here. You press add. And that's it. As you can see, the theme was applied. Just change the way this Firefox is. In case you just want to access it back again, you can press here. Then you go to adults and teams. Then you scroll down to teams right here. When you scroll down, you can go to any of these teams. Select which one that you want. We have one called Private Raspberry Obliques. Nice. That I downloaded earlier. If you press a label, it changes it. Firefox App and Go also changes it. Methodist pattern changes. And that's basically how you change your theme or how your Firefox is. Thanks for watching this video and come back for the next step.